just got home, been out with the babies all day. We went to this little indoor play area, and the slots are 2-hour slots, so we were there for 2 hours. It was something we have never done. It was fun. It was real cute. It was bee themed, so everything was like named after something of a bee, like Beehive Cafe, Jam Ranch, stuff like that. So it was really cute. But yeah, so my back is on fire. Don't know if I told y'all, but I messed my back up last week, and this time every day it tells me that it's, it's time to start settling down and take it easy. So, yeah, so we're gonna unload the dishwasher and load it back, and that's probably all we're gonna get to tonight. We're having leftovers for dinner, and leftovers is pizza from Pizza Hut. Because last night we did the like $20 deal where you get like the 2 pizzas, a thing of wings, and breadsticks. So you can't beat it for 20 bucks. 2 medium pizzas, So that's dinner. The kids are back at daycare tomorrow. So yeah, but it's been a good day. It's just time to start winding down and take a little break. But so let's get this dishwasher done and enjoy the rest of our evening.